This is, of course, a scenario where shipping companies no longer have the same role as they have today. In the scenario, shipping is part of the overall global logistics chain. And as such, the servicing need for vessels is significantly different from what it is today. First of all, we can say that new players will probably enter the market. Whereas the traditional shipping companies today have played the biggest part in the logistics chain, it might very well be that in the future we're dealing with logistics companies. Logistics companies who don't have hundreds of years or dozens of years of heritage in shipping. And that means that the availability of services, our portfolio of services, has to be much broader than before to address the needs of these new players, as they don't have the same competencies as the existing shipping companies have today. Then, of course, where are the trade routes going to be? Servicing is going to be in different places than it is today. As trade routes develop, companies wanting to service shipping customers have to be available in the right places at the right time. And then finally, I would say one of the big possible changes in this scenario is downtime. Today, there is a certain tolerance for downtime in shipping, because if one transporter does not have his vessels up and running all the time, the customer can get an alternative supplier. But in a very integrated logistics chain, that won't necessarily be the case. And therefore, all kinds of services focused around minimizing downtime, in other words, remote monitoring, condition-based monitoring of the vessels, condition-based maintenance, scheduled maintenance, having real-time data upon which a service company can act is going to be all the more critical.